Hi everybody, it's Rick here. It is now day 32 of the ARCSPIN expedition to Utqiagvik, Alaska. It's September 18th, 2021, and now the team is starting to do some cleanup work. So let's check out what's going on. All right, Kevin, we're live.
Okay.
What's the lowdown? What's going on?
We're just cleaning things. So everything got really muddy, wet, and all that yesterday. So we're just giving everything a power wash. Jesse loves power washing. So
does that mean that your field work is over?
yes, the field-based component, we're still doing some ground-based sampling at the DOE site. So we're taking some filters. Yeah, we're taking some filters right now, but we're not going out into the tundra anymore.
No more ATVs?
Yeah, that's right, Rick.
No more bogging.
No more bogging, yes.
Okay.
But Jesse's having a good time over there. They're doing the ratchet straps right now. So.
I think we're with Water Machine. We're live here.
I am.
So what is that you got there? It looks like you got a nice toy.
Yeah, I don't know the name of it in English.
Pressure washer.
Okay, what is it in
Pressure
Spanish?
washer.
Okay. So what are you cleaning, Jesse?
Everything. Literally everything.
What's going to happen with all this stuff when it's clean?
We're gonna dry it, and then
Air dryer or what?
no, just letting it air dry for a day, and then packing it up to send home.
How are you going to send it?
On a few pallets through freight shipment.
Check in on with Tom here.
Yeah, we're out here. We're having a good time.
Tom, what are you up to here?
I've got a glamorous job of cleaning the ratchet straps,
Okay.
which I kind of love and hate at the same time.
So no
The
power
ra-
spray. You don't get the power sprayer?
No, it's too flappy for this. I have a strange love-hate relationship with these because they're incredibly good design and incredibly annoying and sort of bad design at the same time. I might dedicate the rest of my life to improving the design of this thing.
Ratchet straps.
There has to be a better way. Because they always end up sticking.
Tom and I very carefully took the tarp out to the ocean to clean it.
What did you clean?
The tarp.
The tarp.
Yeah, but we decided to use it as a base, so it's dirty again.
It looks very dirty.
Yes,
Yes, it's very dirty.
that's right.
Okay. So anything else you think that your fans should know about the ARCSPIN expedition?
We'll have a lot of samples for analysis, so it should be interesting to see what we find. We had a really good sampling day yesterday, despite the poor conditions. Good for analysis.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thanks.
we had fun.
Stay like in the metal.
What do you got here, Jesse? Can't get an answer out of them. What are they cleaning?
They are cleaning the head of the auger to pour the permafrost. So that's just with the gasoline and all that. So
Let's see what else is. Oh, looks like still got to clean the kayak. Huh?
yeah, the kayak we have to go clean. We partially assembled it, and Tom and I had fun doing that, and then now we just have to clean it.
You seem to have a lot of fun doing everything.
I do, yes. It's a lot of fun out here. But it needs a little bit of a clean, as you can tell.
Yeah, it's looking pretty messy. Well, time to sign off here. I'll let you get back to work.
Okay.
Let's just get a wide shot of what's going on here. And we'll take one more look here around the shop. There's the kayak that Tom and Kevin have been traveling around in. Here's the ATVs that we've been riding in. Tom's got lots of straps to clean. All these ATVs, that's how we've been getting around the last few days. There, we had this trailer here for some of the days. There's another ATV, and here's the boat. I think some of you saw pictures and video from this, and when the big thaw of the film is done, hopefully in a year or so, you'll get to see some cool boat shots. We got some real nice stuff with the GoPro there. So this is the shop that kind of a staging area for the expeditions. And here's a nice overview of it. There's the big heater up there. It's actually pretty warm in here. It's right around freezing outside right now. So yeah, time to sign out. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.